Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Tadpole Dock in Subnautica 2. Now, the dock will cost you 2 pieces of titanium ingots, 1 piece of silver ingot, and 2 pieces of copper wire. And also a side note, do make sure you have enough energy production to keep this dock functioning. Now, before we begin with the building of the dock, let me show you how you can find the blueprint. From the life pod, go directly south until you reach this wreck that's dangling on the edge of the drop-off, and immediately go down. And on this small platform right here, there's more wreck, there's a piece of a tadpole that you can scan. This fragment is the only one you need to unlock the blueprints for the tadpole dock and the vehicle fabricator. With all that said and done, let's go back to our habitat. Now, on your moon pool, make sure you have enough space to place down the dock. So you're probably going to need some adjustments to the size of your moon pool, and once you're satisfied, just place it right down. And now you just go inside your tadpole and head toward the dock, and it will automatically pull you in and park the tadpole. And that's about it on how to make the Tadpole Dock in Subnautica 2.